tieniye o Kennedy a compare kwe Japan aside ya tieniye se wo hunu se NDC fo bi gina ho pia se na Ken a mesremo monye very careful anye sa wo ho. It's not going to happen, but anye sa should you people even win this tieniye pa should you people even win this, which will never happen, utie, should you people win this, NDC would make sure your Kennedy would not even have 1 day to campaign. Don't take it like say me what about me I wanna make a no crash. I'm giving you real facts. Na say mo boss no say bibi wo ho a obetumi aya onkoye. Mesrɛ mo pa. Enuanom Endra beye 2 a.m. Me research Ras Media challenge na eniama I've gone to discover na they no ehye. Ejina na share bi ma me wate. Ana me nipa bi a oye NDC ni ma papa. NDC ni mapa. Eka kire me say Felix Charlie your party they for make wild pound. Na me say aden Charlie if they don't do so by 20 before this is before 2028 say yanhwe ya NPP for say yanhwe ya flag bearer ye didn't be gina say yankoto no so abakra ye nya bi if we make the mistakes all cano. I was trying to find out where he was driving at and I'll say why do you think say NDC for them more copper away now still we are pushing a candidate for you. What Kennedy camp wa mesrɛ mo monkofa mo strategy anya hwe kra no mo MP strategy anya hwe kra no mo MP before ebinom ntino I will help where need be. Plan ya yede mura ne be fam Ahmed Swale wuo no de nti a omo ba ya a wo mo nka ho hwe ye twen ne yesu de ebesi tie ni ye pa MP before ma mo fa de we ni agro. You people might think it's a joke. NDC will do it. Now must start here soon. Who could do your work? I'm on TNE. Me say yanshe ya. Now you could make the wrong choice here. The NDC has Kennedy Japan on a cool radar. And that is why these days they are not talking about Ahmed Swale. They are not talking about JB Dankwa. Now let me remind you, Saubekaya, that was one of the things here. Yeah, got to about 2020. Omo de kuditi as our political party, your friend NPP we, and Yamina make an ACA, who be, me who be, ye TV, ye chebu or TV so, ye TV or radio so. How the NDC milked the JB Dankwa situation. MP na umuku no. NDC for Bopo say. One more chanya ni ye mistake. No more and I can't buy a better aba, can't buy a better aba, near kofana ba. Kennedy Japan will not even 1 day of rest to even do what? To even talk on the campaign trail. In the end, this for a plan, no. MP before Munchemu ye. And yes, sir, you will choose a candidate who cannot campaign because day in, day out, or the nekra, nini bibia, babe kokot. And the end result is they want to jail him. Okay? As we speak, move the margin better for more. Enche bia nanseya. And omoba no mo ka omobe ma said abema skemish be say abrantie na ode Ahmed Swale a picture come Kennedy Japan no omache no. Do you guys remember Kennedy for mumio masum? Say we are politics, away in your politics. Murano, ne Asem na make a. This is coming from an NDC core person close to what goes on. For job's sake, Intino, I'm not going to mention his name. But pia NDC for pia and I can't buy a kotuaba, can't buy a kotuaba. They are trying to resurrect Ahmed Swale death, no? And they are waiting now to 2027. That is when they will start moving on Kennedy Japan. just to see the outcome of whatever presidential candidate we choose. You think they are going to leave Ken alone? They are not going to leave Ken alone. They are coming after Ken. I'm telling you. NDC ni ono besre owi odi ade bebo utrim, and that is exactly what they are going to do with Ken. And untimu amudi Ken e chire no muhemu ye. Ne nkrofobia aba be frafra mu a omo ba mo platform so anama mo chance no ma sign ba omia no ma sign NPP poto all in the name say they are coming to support Kennedy. Be very careful. Now me Ahmed Swali's case, I knew they will bring it up somewhere somehow, but they are not yet JB down quadiano. Now NPP for a mutie me, delegate for a mutie me, mamiama. As someone making me mo mitrimuna making me can no cre trodo na me can ha. Akwesi Appiah manu bokit mekenti yesemi nye nenso eye no cre. Nye campaign na me ye di ama baomia. Enye campaign na me ye di ama NPP. Eya enida ho a me pese mu hunu mu amudi ye papa ono abu Kennedy echi. This is the game plan. Yes or no any first person or arrival ye. Ewo JB dan kwa fie ho. Na dia akwa ne say ye papa no abu Ken ye ne ye nim say o kan bibi say how do you call it one Ivy no edi nkomo JB dan kwa yere no oni ni didi nkomo bisa ne den. Now guess what the NDC is doing? Ras media, this is where the catch is. Onipa obeye omo principal witness in the JB dan kwa case. Mutie JB dan kwa yere Ivy onu na NDC fo be use no as principal witness against Kennedy Japan. Entimu hwemu hu ye enya gro ne yedi na ha enya ntro bi na me need time for sankwasi antro no tabi Kennedy o wini o when wini o me enche dan ha me bi asa, to be honest with you, because that doesn't mean say Baumia is not good. That doesn't mean say Baumia cannot be better. Baumia can even be of a better use. So that is not my problem. Me catch Remo. The guy even went a step further to tell me, say, they have actually gotten conversations. Onipana or Texas Kennedy say, Umbra premises only na Kennedy catch any nano. They are washing and bleaching all those messages away. Na Kennedy beya Mobo 2027 say. Or say, do you think Mahama has forgotten all that he said, all that he did? And it is true. They don't forget. The NDC party does not forget. Mamumfe Niagro. NPP delegate. Samo pesa ye koto aba. Namunya candidate ya mubedi ne chini na akoye campaign dia. Mesra mu koto aba ma Kennedy Japan. Nende mu se party ne magunu preko. Na sa niama wei ena ama papa ne pria sanka at least obenya ni tie didi mu kakra cause ono so no owonyansa bi se enkrofo we ye ne one omu bogu mu ebedu brebi no ombeyi na si nchen. Me ka asem na akire mo obi a wutie me TikTok, obi a wutie me YouTube, tie me Facebook, me din de Felix Appiah ye frɛ me kwasi me ma me gina wo phone so a wato data de hwɛ me entwa watro wo Kennedy ho a memfa we say me yeba omia ni nti no sabio untie di America no me say the NDC guy told me we on your call we no on your call woman na sensuo sabio mprediasa se ye ka kra woman na sensuo na ayinum ayeden ayinum anom. You think they are pushing Kennedy Japan so that Kennedy can win an election? No. They are pushing Kennedy Japan so that he will continue doing what he's doing to destroy and then getting to the end. Now you hear member kokono, ye leader ye koyi ni ntumi nkobe dwamu nkokasa. Ene he dwamu de service chairman untumi. Braha ochena koha ene ye de na free CID. Ade echi ye de na koha. Is that what the NPP wants? NPP delegates, man, mema, is that what you want? Muni when they catch them? The entire NDC for Fakembro, no. One more bet chicken at the Japan 2027. As some way, you see, sometimes I feel say I don't get too much credit for what I do on this media. Seriously. Because you can crack it in some the people who are supposed to act on it, they don't act on it. Me free Ghana buy. Me the list bremo. And come be a metin and pennyphobia. MPP from pennyphobia sebio. One way 2 many years so mobile home. Man can work platform so. And then would the ina mekaya ambem. Meka Samia ukuna mo dwen say agro na media. Meboa. Samia ukuna mu no dwen say I'm just here bluffing. Meka said day after Samia Uku, Obia wo MPP mu, I said that my opposition, I knew Seneskaba Obiano. You are a target, including Kennedy Japan. I said it here. I said it right here. This old Jane say, Obi, Babe, excuse me to say, permit Kennedy Japan. And you're married. You will go to an election without a flag bearer. You will be in a short span to find a replacement. And that will be very hard. Now, a new constitution has to be what? Or a new airline or whatever has to be instituted in order to replace somebody. Omo transwa akakakra ye koto abano e no mbe Kennedy Japan wonte ye na meka na obi a market date wento asemo amaken ebesi wo Ghana na obi ehu. Na de be ya me ya ne say e be duru ho no enkrofo be ba be space abetre TV so claim credit na enso ye yan ye se be akoye adwuma na aba no cheche eyi se be abolo we yemfa kembra ni na no. That is what the NDC is planning. Enu nti na wo mu anoma hye da beti eyi ho kakra o na Exp0se na nse ye wo ha no mbeka kire say the other picture no come Kennedy Japan no ya che no ya hu no. So what do you think is going on? And same way wo ho o kan Kennedy for no beti ase no matter omobo no ma trade cautiously no. They think say this is politics me ba bro. Obo sebe obo oto abura wo tan yem obo oto abura wo tan yem. Denver for me tiamo. And untimu amujina na no can no vote no kwast there be ene Monday. Ne boy bi otwa boy bi anim ne simbi ono de te because somebody come and formula na dada. And that is why that boy Kevin Taylor feels so bold and empowered to say obey good NPP. Because okoto aba. Why you post this scenario? Ye the Kennedy na eko. Na ye twenya 2027 ye be si form akoye campaign no yes brakot and the CID abefaw and the yoko abefaw and the criminal one for fa. Are you going to be able to campaign o campaign materials ni na no aboka and ye because I'm with Baumia? No, I'm telling you the gospel truth. This is the game plan of NDC. Ye be chicken 2027 marking be bia market anywhere. Market anywhere. You will come and give me back my stone. I know to say a power there. Now you said you percent part in it now how they are. Then we should be careful in this delegate conference. You said how we vote in your delegate for a voting. We have to be very careful. So obedie dinner party ningu na kwatene fie na commando forever so a ese wa akogidi na party ningu utie ensem pii ena ya chechire ya de be so a Kennedy Japan me se me dia o ma me info na e ma me yamu sheme was when he mentioned the JB Dankwa we no JB Dankwa wu no minim say Exp0se there yen ya social media is create me can and Exp0se wu and Kennedy yes yen say yen na aka de edu ba bi gay ya no ye campaign money ras media girl friends Maria Mwakwabu edu sabe when me jina ba bi am sign na yi kura say Kennedy Japan is a murderer so he should not be allowed to come to a excuse me to say, away UK. Some okay, some petition no call around no. And it is a fact. Remember tonight, unless you just want to blindly just do stupid politics, that is fine. That's up to you. But I'm giving you concrete information, precise information. They know what they are doing. Into no we be say say eye dan na me ni obi kwa akon na o ka kire me say fa Felix Mobra and asa fa Akosua Mobra me be sam and ya sheda am friend ampaben aseda ko ye post bi wonwunan bi post ni mu no o hwe o kan bom kura na percentage no kura nka. And so you say you post ya they chere delegate say hey Kennedy lead you into Monkotuma Kennedy Otuma Kennedy 2027 unya flag bearer me catch them now. And Kennedy Japan knows that. Okay, Mufasa, I don't have agenda. I don't set agendas. If you don't know, I'm telling you the fact. This is something that is there. You don't know about Exp0se. You don't know that people attribute Kennedy Japan, say Kennedy Japan na.